Hi there, students and teachers. I'm Jessica from UPDF. It's that time again, it's back to school time. Whether you're a high schooler getting ready for your senior year, or perhaps you're a college student getting ready for the next semester, I have a new best friend for you which will help you through the next school year, UPDF. So, what is UPDF? UPDF is the ultimate PDF editor designed to simplify your studying experience. It's packed with features that help you manage your documents effortlessly, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your education. Let's learn what UPDF can do to help you with your studies. Are you tired of juggling paper and digital notes? With UPDF, you can easily convert scanned documents, notes, and textbooks into editable PDFs. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organized digital notes. To perform this feature, you only need to install UPDF on your Mac or Windows PC and upload your scanned document to it. Then, choose OCR from the sidebar. The software will help recognize the document in seconds. At last, you can edit, annotate, or organize the digital file. Do you need to highlight key points for the next important exam? If so, then UPDF provides a complete solution for this. Choose the Edit PDF feature from the left side menu. You can change text, adjust images, and reformat sections to make your documents just right before submission. UPDF also offers robust annotation tools. You can highlight key points, add comments in different colors, manage them easily, and even draw on your PDFs. This feature boosts your efficiency during study sessions, making it easy to revisit important concepts later. Are you studying with a foreign language file? If so, then UPDF AI's translation feature will come in very handy to help you translate your files within seconds. Just select the text and let UPDF handle the rest. What's more, UPDF AI can explain concepts, clarify doubts, or even summarize lengthy texts. It's like having your very own tutor right at your fingertips. Not only on the desktop version, but UPDF's mobile app also supports the Chat with PDF feature, which you can use to handle complex files anywhere and anytime. Upload your PDF textbooks or lecture notes, and ask UPDF specific questions about the content. It's an efficient way to retrieve information without having to skim through pages. As for the chat feature, you can even ask anything with it. No matter if it is related to the file you have uploaded or not, UPDF AI performs just like ChatGPT. Do you want to learn the contents of a large file in just seconds? If so, then UPDF AI Online will help you with this. You can use it to convert the pages you want to learn quickly into a mind map. This is especially helpful for brainstorming, project planning, and it can also allow you to see the big picture and important details all at once. The steps are easy. Go to ai.updf.com, upload your document, click Prompt, and then choose Generate Mind Map. Select the page and tap Go, and you will get the mind map within seconds. Next, let's talk about the Chat with Image feature. Do you have a hard copy of your notes or textbook? Snap a picture and upload it. UPDF can help you extract information and answer questions about the content, making study sessions much more interactive and effective. This feature is available on the Mac and the Windows app, and you can also use it on the online version. And the steps are the same no matter what platform you are using. If you're dealing with multiple versions of documents and need to spot differences quickly, the Compare feature is an absolute game changer. It allows you to compare two PDF documents side by side, highlighting the differences in text, formatting, and more. This is incredibly useful for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to track changes effectively. Now, let's dive into how to use it. Start by opening UPDF and selecting the Compare Files option from the Reader menu. Next, upload the two PDF files you want to compare. Click Select File to upload. Make sure you're selecting the correct versions, like Draft versus Final, just to make sure that you're seeing all of the differences. Once you've uploaded your files, UPDF will display them side by side. This makes it super easy to analyze changes without flipping back and forth between documents. Why not create your very own study guides? UPDF allows you to extract pages and information from different PDF files, and then you can combine them together into one document to make one cohesive study document. This is absolutely perfect when it comes to exam preparation. You can use the Organize Pages feature on UPDF. Upload your document, choose the sections you need, then click Extract. UPDF allows you to preview the pages and choose to combine them in one file or multiple files. Parents, UPDF can help you too. You can use UPDF to help organize your child's school documents such as report cards and important correspondence all in one place. This will ensure that your child never misses a deadline. So, what's one of the best parts of UPDF? Well, you can actually use PDF on all of your devices, making sure that you have all of your files wherever you go. This means that you can use UPDF at home or in class or when you're on the go, so you will always have your files at your fingertips. So, for this back to school season, you should equip yourself with UPDF, the best PDF editing tool. Download it today and transform the way that you work with your documents. And let's let it be the best school year yet. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a like, or maybe you would like to subscribe to our channel to see more video tutorials in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!